little gals in there. Now let's get that wood and the vise off. Get this sanded down. Throw a little coat of paint. So I got it wiped down. Now I'm gonna use some of this, wipe it down a little bit of lacquer thinner, let it air out, get that stuff dried out. I'm not too worried about all that rust. I'm gonna probably get it sandblasted later. For now, we'll just hit a little bit of this, and we'll top it off with some of that.
That's like a little and a little, you know, those baby cakes that are like strawberry. Yeah, we're not talking about those strawberry candies. You know those wafer cakes that are like a rectangle, and they got like a wafer on top and a wafer on the bottom, and then they got icing or whatever in the middle. Joe, you know, they come in like chocolate, you know, fuck yeah. Those things are good. Yeah, I remember those. Joe, you like those? Me too. I like snacks too, though. Not like those. They're similar to those, but that's multi-level. That's really the bougie line. Yeah. These are like just little rectangles. The EBT kind. Yeah. All right, man. Let's make some people better. Alright, you always do. Let's knock these out, guys. Question numero uno. Hey, Andy and DJ, thanks for taking my question. I've been a tattoo artist for 20 years. Business survival. And has been I've let the wrong people in, and as a result, I've gotten very comfortable firing people. I've been guilty of knowing someone needed to go and keeping them on way too long. Now my tolerance for bullshit is very low. When I can see it's not a good fit, look to attract those A players that I really want. Thanks so much for this. Hiring too quick, is that a thing? Well, there's a saying, and the saying is hire slow, fire fast. And the reason that you want to fire fast is because you don't want a negative attitude to infect the culture of your business. When you're a good person, you care about people, business owners tend to be overly empathetic towards people that aren't going to work out. I've been guilty of this myself, where I've hung on to people way too long because I inaccurately believe that their only hope is for them to be with me. I know I'm going to win. I'm fucking winning, bro. And when I look at other people, and this is wrong, okay? I'm just telling you how I look at it. I believe in what I'm doing so much that when I look at people, that caring person, in the beginning you have a hard time firing. The first time I fired someone, cried, dude. I got in my truck and I fucking cried. I felt so shitty about having to fire the dude. I remember him, dude. I remember the guy's name. He just couldn't do the job. And it bothered me, like, it still kind of bothers me because it was hard. And as you go through the process of hiring and firing, it gets a little easier. And what I ultimately came to understand, which made it much less personal and much easier to handle that situation, was that by me not letting go of someone who needed to be let go of, I'm letting down the rest of the team. I'm costing them opportunity because they have to drag this person. And also I'm preventing that person from finding something that they're really going to love and really excel at.
Nice
where they're
and tight,
struggling here, right? So I came to
let that paint dry out before you put hammers on there.